Hi guys, good morning.
Good morning, it's Rosie and Russ Junker.
Hi.
I'm going to hand this over to Russell, and he's going to tell you all about his amazing green drink making skills.
Okay.
Enjoy.
Hi Russ.
Hey, okay, this is the famous green drink. I want to show you the equipment first. The juicer that I recommend is a Waring Pro juicer. They clean easier and it's more efficient. You get it online for about 50 bucks. Now the food processor that you're going to need, the Black & Decker Pro 2 is the best one. About 40 bucks. You can get it at Target or online.
So what you're saying is you don't need to spend a lot of money.
Right. And these,
Okay.
the cheaper ones work better than the most expensive ones I found.
Okay.
Okay. The first thing we're going to do is put 3 avocados in. And basically I'm going to throw the last one in here. I've got 2 in there already.
Russ, can you talk about how to determine when an avocado is ready to be used?
The avocado should be soft by touch on the outside. And then you're going to take off the peel, of course.
Should I buy the avocado ripe or not ripe?
You want to buy them not ripe. And then they should just be tender when they're ripe. Good point.
If they're not ripening quickly enough, how can I make them ripen?
You want to pick off the top right there, and then it thinks it's picked.
So they'll ripen faster.
Right.
I see.
Now,
Should you ever store your avocados in the refrigerator?
if they get too soft, you can put them in there.
Okay, and that'll slow down the...
Right, then they won't go bad as quickly.
Great.
Now I'm going to take a whole lime, chop it in half, and we're just going to put the whole juice from this one lime in here.
Now what's the yield on this batch of green drink you're making?
You should have about 3 or 4 cups.
Let's see.
Okay, we're going to take a whole entire cucumber. The English ones work better because it's a seedless. It's already washed.
Okay, so English cucumbers are seedless. Great.
Right. That you can use the regular ones, but it's better with the seedless ones.
Right.
So you just put it in there. Okay. Now you take about a handful of spinach. This is a pretty good handful. It's already washed. Organic's always better. So you're just gonna put that right in there. Just like that. Okay. Now you're gonna take a whole head of celery and you're going to put it through your juicer. I've got most of it done. I've just got a couple pieces. So, you can see the whole head of celery. You got a pretty nice sized cup of juice. It makes about 1 liter of juice here. And then you're going to put that into the food processor. Turn this thing on. It works better if you kind of pour it in while it's running real quick here. Get all nice and kind of smooth, like a smoothie now. Doesn't need to go that long, but... So it looks like a green smoothie now. And then you just basically empty it. It's kind of full, so I'm going to use this ladle to take out the first one. But try it there.
Good work, Rusty. Let's try it. It's delicious. One thing you can do to the green drink as well is you can put some flaxseed oil on there. And putting
And what
some,
brand is that?
This is Barley's.
I see.
I also like Udo's Choice.
Okay.
That's another good one. You can pick whatever flavor you like, and then you just put a little bit on top of your green drink.
Now you're getting all your healthy fats.
Great.
Gives you more energy.
Okay. Thank you for the video, John.
Welcome.
Looks delicious.
Rusty.